Don't go thinking that this is the whole world. It stretches far beyond the lake, right into that churchyard. No, I've never been that far myself.
Wicked, let's explore.
Before you go wandering off, there are one or two nest rules. Number 1, no wet feet in the nest. Number 2, you must feather down your nest every morning. Number 3, no playing between meals. Number 4, no flapping after sunset. And number 5, wait. You're not all here.
Guys, it's gonna be another member of the gang.
Oh, quiet. It's the big one.
Excellent. How come you got such a big egg? Yeah, we all got crammed into a regular shell. Now we got a king-size ostrich shell. It's not fair, Mama. No, Mama, it's not fair.
Take a good look at him, Jim. You won't be seeing that often. Well, through the morning, this is a chitter-patter and a deep paddle.
Well, I'm here now, okay? Who's for a swim? Come on, split in the nest, let's go. What's the matter? All that sitting take it out of you?
You're still on the hat, you dumb slut.